Hello, and welcome to Mastering Ansible, a complete guide to configuration management and orchestration using Ansible. I'm Chris, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. Throughout this course, not only are we going to teach you how to use Ansible for basic configuration management and orchestration tasks, we're also going to help you build a workflow for how to use Ansible to manage infrastructure at scale using infrastructure as code principles. We've divided this course into 6 sections. We'll start out with some basic preparation, talking about the environment and how to get it set up. We'll then move on to foundational principles of Ansible, such as what are tasks and how do you put them together into plays and playbooks and execute them. For the bulk of the content in the course, we're going to use a quote by Kent Beck as our guiding principle, and that quote is, "Make it work, make it right, make it fast." So for the 3 sections in the middle of the course, we're going to first focus on getting our environment stood up and working using Ansible playbooks and modules. We'll then move on to refactoring that environment and making it more modular and supportable using roles and variables. And finally, we'll wrap up with trying to extract more speed out of our Ansible setup and look for ways that we can get optimization and performance increases by tweaking our Ansible setup. Finally, in the course, we'll spend some time on troubleshooting tips and techniques and ways that you can test and validate your Ansible code. As we're going along this process, I want you to know that this is a journey. In this course, we're not just going to dive into individual modules down in deep. I'm not going to pull up the docs and show you feature by feature all of the contents of Ansible. The point here is really to help you along a journey of starting from scratch and building layer by layer. How do you use Ansible to get a real-world environment stood up and then supported and maintained? So all of this is drawing on my own experience of using Ansible at scale in a big environment. So not only are we going to help you configure that environment, but we're going to give you the artifacts that you need to then maintain and support it using playbooks in an orchestration style workflow. We expect that you have some systems administration background to take this course, although it's not strictly required. The focus of the course is really on the Ansible topics and how to take those concepts and implement them using the Ansible tool. So although I'm going to teach you how to use the Ansible apt module to install packages, for instance, I expect that you already have some experience with installing packages via apt via the command line already. So with that, I'm excited about this course. I hope you are too. Let's get started on our journey together into the exciting world of Ansible.